किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या किसी भी इंडस्ट्री, फॉर एनी टाइप ऑफ जॉब और फॉर any particular job role, the very first question and the most important question which is always asked is, please introduce yourself. Please tell us something about yourself. I hope you all are doing well and are amazing. I am doing well. So, welcome you to the channel. And today the topic of the video is about interview preparation. And in this video, we'll be understanding how well we can answer to the question, introduce yourself or tell me something about yourself. Say, but then we must understand that what the recruiter is looking forward in that question. Nevertheless, he is very less concerned about your hobbies and very less concerned about the family background, though he wants to know, but then he is very less concerned. What he is mostly concerned about, the type of skill that is required for the job that he has come to hire. For example, if the recruiter has come to hire a salesperson, then definitely he will be looking for a marketing skills in that person. So we need to frame our answer accordingly so that whatever the recruiter needs, we give it to the point and then impress the recruiter. Recruiter is coming, so the recruiter wants to know that what type of person you are. He wants to know that how well do you lead your life? Are you positive or are you negative about your life? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? He wants to know everything so that he gets to know you in a better way. He wants to know about your previous position, how well did you lead that, were you a team player or not. So all these things needs to be answered in a proper and systematic way so that the recruiter is impressed and gives you the position that he's looking for. So I'll be explaining all in detail and I'll be telling you from the point of view of an experienced person and from the point of view of a fresher. So in case you're an experienced person and the recruiter asks you the question, please introduce yourself or tell me something about yourself, and he tells you like this, Mr. X or Mr. Y, please introduce yourself. Now since the recruiter has already said your name, so you can always tell that, good morning sir or good afternoon sir, my full name is this. So by this you can always tell him your full name, and then you can tell him the place that you have come from, your educational qualification. By this time the recruiter is known to you. So now it's the time to march on the position that we are looking for. So now tell him that what position that you held in the past, what responsibilities that you were having, have you handled any special project, were you a part of any team or something like that, so that the recruiter gets to know about your qualities. Were you a team player, were you a team leader, so that the recruiter feels happy and gives you the appointment letter for the job. So in case you're an experienced person, you can always explain him about your previous position, tell him what have you done in your past, what responsibilities that you were, was your boss happy, how did you achieve your targets and everything. In this way you can always give it to the point and always give relevant answers to what the recruiters are looking for. And in case you don't want to speak about your past job, you can always speak about your experiences. You can always narrate a story so that the recruiter is impressed. Now in case you are a fresher person and you have very less to say, for example, when I passed my graduation, it was very difficult for me to fetch the job because even all type of industries, people definitely look for an experienced person. But then if you want the job and you answer it properly and give it a systematic reason, the recruiter will definitely feel happy and will be impressed. So let's get started. If you are a fresher, you can definitely answer the way the experienced person answered that. Good morning sir, my full name is this and I belong to this city, my age is this, I want to be a part of your team or something like that. And then you can tell about the educational qualification that you have. You can always tell and explain about the projects that you handled in your college, your projects that you handled in the school. were you a part of any school competition? For example, I can say that I was a part of the business competition in the school. I was leading a team and then we were assigning different roles. So in this way you can give examples to the recruiter and explain to them that what all things that you have held and what you were capable of. So by this the recruiter gets to know about the qualities and the achievements that you have. Nevertheless, you can always talk about that did you work for your society, were you part of your any social group, or you were part of a NGO where you were helping the needy and the elderly people or something like that. Something stories you can build upon and then you can make the recruiter feel happy. So this was all about the video whereby we have discussed for interview preparation and how well we can answer to the question, please introduce yourself. I have given you to the point of how an experienced person can answer the question and how a fresher can answer to the question. I hope I have done well. In case you face any problem or any difficulty, you can always comment down below. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot.